Welcome back. On a run come, members only. Members only. Come in. Make we chatty people them. Yeah. So, we have something to tell them. Uno notice. True, me never broadcast my business. Me not tell the people them too much on social media, Cause everything you do, then copy you. Yeah. Everything you do, then copy you. So you can't tell them what you're up to. Because we're the first one to be pudding on here. Because we've been on here since conception. Since conception, with about, a bake cake and pudding and all that. And everybody a copy we and a go on like them at the first. We been on the metaverse from its start. Yeah, we know all the stars and everybody. The stars, the sun and the moon. Yeah, we used to interview them and all them things there. And now them a turn round and say, me a copy them. Or when me put up me post them with me cake them, planka people then come on it and I say me a copy the planka lady. And them no know say a long time with them, but me have to ask them how long them been on social media. Them just know, can me be at 365 days a year? Yeah, 24 hours a day. So me don't know how them fi come over here, come say them things there. Yeah, them run come up and type upon me post and say me a shop, me keep them out of Photoshop picture them. And me can't find this a Photoshop, me no know. Never been to a Photoshop to get no cake picture. So me no know what them a talk about. Yeah. So me have to run them and block them and all kind of things. And we don't follow people. We set the trend around here. We set the trend around here. We can't talk too long because me have to go and get me deliveries out. And me prep up me things them for today. Yeah. Me prep up me something them ready for bake because we only have a few days leave Mother's Day. So yeah, we inundated with orders for Mother's Day. So today's the last day, so I'm gonna place on the orders and because we can't bake anything more after today. Can't wait tomorrow. We're gonna be very busy trying to get everything out for Mother's Day. Yeah. So 365 days a year we bake. And them a call me Jill. Say me delusional and fufusional and all kind of things. But I don't care what them have to say about me because I know that I'm minding my own business and getting on with my business, and my business is doing very, very well. Very well indeed. Yeah. Me they are big foreign and them they are little foreign. And you think say me can envy them? Yeah. Make them people ya go where. Yes. People. Yeah. People. Some people are running up on social media now. Me look over one friends, Mrs. Maddie prep. So them a prep them pudding. And a 2 little bowl me see look pitiful. No sir. It look very pitiful. And the people them, planka people be tapping out, tappy. Go type up on our comment section say she a follow fashion. Yeah, follow fashion. She a follow people. Go type up on night and she say she be at 365 days a year. Just come. People just come. And what type that cause look how long she been around baking. Yeah. But me say it didn't look a bit pitiful, poor thing. Yeah, me not see no cake shipment, me just see some little thing put out. And as the people them say, a shop, Photoshop, she get them picture there from me. No know, me just I repeat, I repeat, and me I wonder, cause me can't see no shipment or nothing I go out. Yeah. So that's what me I say. And another one there over the camp. Me see she say she mix up something for Mother's Day. So them are people and they know so them ain't for bake before. Then see such person down, so it start to bake. Yeah? All them dead and live upon the lady name. And then I do nothing. And as soon as she drive for going off your kitchen, them all a bake. And them all have something negative to say. No, sir. Yeah, people them delusional for fusional and all kind of things. Yeah. Crazy set of people, them never see people obsessed so. Yeah, them obsessed so till. Yeah. And another one I talk to the other woman over one place over. So she a producer or whatever juicer. Me see she a talk. And it's like them watch every movement of her things, them, you know. And when me a pass at the place, me hear the talking them a go on. Me not even know what go on down at the shop was more than so. But them always have. Then go watch and then look for every little negative thing. For draw out, for run on them platform. And show this, show that, show that nose all. Yeah. And one other little thing, couple more little thing, me see, over by England, the woman over England, she say, she go, what she do know? She go do online business, so look like, say, Lady V, Dana, and West, Baker Man of England, and West. All the people them want she a travel, them a go get a break now. Yeah. And you know, she's a thick spot like on them back. Them a go get a break because she start up online business. But mom, anybody can do anything for kudos to you if you go start up business because you'll do something positive. So all this time, you did depend the people them back. The Dimes, Lady V, Man of England, and all the people who run them business where you are trying to tear down. And now you want to do business now. So it shows me here, so said, you never like the fact that people not do something positive. Yeah. And now you are going to do the same thing now. Nothing wrong with it, me not say nothing wrong with it. You go and do what you do. But the time you in there about to tear down people's business for your business is that far gone. So you must stop. Tear down people's business and come mind on one business. I go start up on one business and do something positive and leave people business alone. Yeah. So, and me see the one lady round so. Me that school pass and me hear one talk and me thinking, really? Really, MC? She a tell people, she a talk about married man. And when you have married man and why you fi do and how you fi do this and how you fi do. So she a give people tutor and how fi deal with married man. Really? No, sir. And me not kiss them on her lips. Me kiss them on her lips. And you must wear this. You must wear the cover up and all this. And I'm thinking to myself, these big grown ass people glorifying these things and going on like say it's okay. You know. Me know when people that must talk say, your man a married man and all and something there, but mighty God, it look like a normal practice for you this. And that me a wonderland over here thinking, I was disgusted to hear that little talk. Yeah. I scroll past and me just manage it. peep, come here. The little talking, I'm thinking, mighty God, tell me people here, them not have no morals or corals or anything. No, sir. Anyway, me just ain't come for telling you. Yes, me just ain't come for telling you what a clock a strike, what a go on, and what a go on. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.